Hi, I'm Susan. Today's the day I'm giving away my journal for the 500 subscriber giveaway. And this is so exciting for me. I'm excited for all of you. I wished I had one for everybody, but I don't. So we're going to see who the winner is. And I'm going to take the video and I'm going to copy the link. And I'm going to use the YouTube random comment picker. And I'm going to add in the link. Alright, I'm going to add comment replies. I'm going to filter the duplicate users. Let's see, 9 plus 2 is 11. Come on now. That's what I need. Okay. Whoop. Alright. 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. Drop that back. Okay. I'm struggling. Okay, 9 plus 2 is 11. Get YouTube comments. And now let's see who the winner is. Where'd it go? My Vagabond Style. Debbie, you won. All right. This is so wonderful. Okay, Debbie and I, we do Marguerite Miller collage challenges together. So I'm excited. Debbie, you are the winner of my journal. And just contact me. My email address is in my description box. And just contact me your information and I will get this out to you as quickly as I can. And I appreciate all of y'all for entering. I love each and every one of y'all. Y'all are so wonderful. So, y'all have a great and wonderful weekend. And until next time, bye y'all.